Hi, this is Anna from Mria Labs. Today I will show you how you can manage your product portfolio in Jira using Mria CRM. Portfolio is an important part of every business, regardless of what you are selling, whether it is software, hardware, or products or services. We have a dedicated module for that inside Mria CRM. Here it is. Before you start working with the products module in Mria CRM and start configuring your product portfolio, it is highly recommended to customize the records and to add the needed custom fields. To do this, you should go to Settings, go under Custom Fields and select Products. Here you can add as many custom fields as you need of different types to be able to include all the needed information inside a product record and have it at one screen in Mria CRM. Once you've done, you can move to Products module. It is possible to import products in bulk with our import wizard. We offer you a sample file. It's highly recommended to download it and fill it in instead of creating the one from scratch, because the sample file will include all the custom fields that you have configured on the previous step, and it would be much easier and save you time on mapping fields and values during import. Also, it is important to create products manually one by one by clicking Create a Product button. Here you see all the fields that are by default available under the product record in Mria CRM. As you see, it is also possible to configure a price and a tax rate here. It's important for the deals because if you configure it and then you add products to the deal, it will calculate you the deal amount accordingly. I will show you this later on. So generally, your product record is the one screen overview of everything related to your products in Mria CRM. Let me show you how this looks like. Let's take a look at this sensor kit as an example. Here you can see all the default fields that you have filled in during product creation. On the right side, you can see the custom fields that have been configured for the product records in my Mria CRM instance. But it's not all. Below, you can see a lot of important information. The first block stands for CRM records which this product is linked to. If this product participates in certain deals or certain leads, you will see it here. If you have specific companies that is linked to this product, it will also be here as well. This is an interesting additional use case. If you are not managing companies only as your customers, but if you are also managing them as your partners or vendors, you can link a specific product to a specific company, and it will be always very easy to see who is the vendor of this specific product under Linked Companies section. It's just one of the examples how you can use the products module. Moreover, with Mria CRM, it is possible also to link the product with the specific Jira work items such as Jira tasks or GSM tickets. It is also possible to link a specific product to the certain Jira space, which you may know also as a Jira project, to Jira board or to Confluence space or page. Moreover, it is possible to link the external website page here. For example, if you want to add the vendor's product page from the website or specific documentation which is available out of Atlassian ecosystem. As Mria CRM is a Jira native Atlassian CRM targeted to create as much native experience as possible, I would like to highlight the capability to link products to specific Jira tasks or Jira service management tickets. For example, the use case to attach products to the Jira task is to understand how your development goes in relation to your product portfolio, which you sell with the help of Mria CRM. Or it is also possible to understand which product from your portfolio, not only which customer or which deal, but also which product is the service ticket related to. It is easy to link the items here manually, or the products can be linked from the ticket and the task side. I will show you now how it looks like. For example, if we go for this task here, on the right side of the task, you will see the Mria CRM part, and here you will see the product that we have just linked to this specific task. You can do it either from the task here by clicking link product or from the product card inside Mria CRM. So having this context inside your task, it is also very helpful to understand which product this current task relates to, which leads and deals are expecting this, and which sales potential or is related to this delivery, or if there are any paid customers who are expecting it as well. As I mentioned, it is also possible to link products to the tickets. Let me show you how this looks like. So you can either link a ticket from the product, but more often you will link it from the GSM ticket. Here on the ticket side, you can see the products and it's linked here. So once your support team gets the new support request, first of all, CRM can not only suggest them which customer and which deal this relates to, but it's also possible to track the products to which the support tickets are related to. As you see, Mria CRM can give you a full overview on the product, including its basic information, including the CRM entities linked to it, including companies linked to it, and also the open tickets or closed tickets or tasks or any other Atlassian entities that may be useful for your working process. Products are presented in the table view. You can customize it with the custom fields that you have, and you can apply as many filters as you need based on the basic fields, but also based on the custom fields. So it's very easy to filter the products with a specific minimum price, or with open leads, for example, or with open deals. So it's very easy to work with your product portfolio inside Mria CRM. One important thing to note is that I already mentioned that you can add products to leads and deals. Deals include deal amount, so the money you're expected to earn or that you have already earned. So it's important to include products in the deals to see what the customer is willing to purchase or what the contract is about. For example, let's go here. Under each deal, there is a product section, which includes information on all the products, their amounts and discounts applied. It is very easy to manage products from this screen. So you can add as many products as you need. If the price and tax are configured on your Mria CRM, they will be applied here accordingly. You can add discounts, and the system will calculate the relevant total amount for you. Once you change something, it will update you the deal amount accordingly. Additionally, products are an important part of the reports inside Mria CRM. For example, if we want to see sales by period, we can filter the sales by a specific product here. The same stands for open deals or lost deals, so whatever you want to see, it is very possible. It is very easy to find the relevant information under the reporting section. Now you see how easy it is to manage your product portfolio inside Mria CRM. Feel free to find us on the Atlassian Marketplace and try Mria CRM for free. See you!